Good morning. It's bad raining here, but I am almost back human. I am going to show y'all what I did. So I'm wearing salmon lips. Salmon, girl. Salmon is a really pretty color. It's a bright, bright orange. And it looks really good with Senna blue. Yeah, don't you think? Salmon looks good with blue. So I'm going to show y'all how I did the look, how I did my eye, and it's really good. So we're going to use several different things. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to use to do my eye. Good morning, Vicki. So I'm going to be using some SeneGence products. Who guessed it? What I'm going to use is terracotta blush, and I'm actually going to put terracotta blush on my eye, okay? So we're going to use terracotta blush. I'm going to use rustic brown eyeshadow. I'm going to use Sandstone Pearl Shimmer eyeshadow. I'm going to use the black brown liquid eyeliner called Eyescents by SeneGence. It's a liquid eyeliner that goes on so good. Hey, Miss Penny, I thought about you. I hope you're doing good. I'm also going to put denim. If you can see on this eye, I've got denim, which is the blue, the same as my top on the inside. Hey, Day, good morning. On the inside of my bottom waterline, I have denim. It's really pretty, so I use that. So this is what I'm using to make my eyeshadow look. And I had a makeup palette here. And so what I'm going to do is this. And this is how I did my eye on the other eye. I just took a little bit of this right here. It's called the terracotta blush. And I put a little bit of that. It's a cream blush. If you've never used a cream blush, it goes on more natural than a powder blush. It does not clump up. And it's also got great skincare in it. Okay, so I'm putting that much of the terracotta blush on a metal makeup palette. I'm going to use some of the Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. I'm going to actually put a little bit of that on here just so that you can kind of see how much product that I'm using of each thing. Now, the cool part is all of this is waterproof eyeshadows. It's all got skincare built into it. So when I'm putting on my eyes, you're actually putting skincare on your eyes that's waterproof. So I put rustic brown, just a little bit. Now, I'm going to put this, I'm not going to put the denim on there because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. I might go ahead and put that on. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put that on. Okay, so the denim is a cream to powder eyeshadow, and what I'm doing with it, good morning, Deborah. Hey, Donna. I'm putting denim on the inside of my bottom waterline. Ooh, my mirror almost turned over. And when you do this, it gives that pop for that green. How many of you have green eyes or brown eyes? So if you have green or brown eyes, if you put the blue on the inside of the waterline, it makes the green pop or the brown. And if you have blue eyes, you want to put the opposite color. So if you have blue eyes, you could use a really pretty, even a pink, a bright pink, or you could use a plum, you could use a brown, you could use a green, would be really pretty with blue eyes. So there's lots of colors you can use to make your eyes pop. Okay, so what I did was I put the terracotta blush on here, and I'm going to show you what I did with that. And I used it first to give me a little bit of depthness in my eye. So I have already done my brows. That's rustic brown in my eyebrows. Okay, so here's terracotta. I'm putting it on my lid and 3/4 of the way up. See, it gives you a depth. Can you know you use blush for eyeshadow? Like, yeah, girl. How, Lisa Tippen? Y'all need to know that I have met a person that lives in the UK, a lady. She's got my exact name. Her name is Lisa Tippen. How crazy is that? It just I think I found her on Facebook a long time ago and sent her a friend request, like a really long time ago. She finally accepted me as a friend, and we've been messaging each other back and forth. And she's got a son who is a musician, and she sent me a YouTube video of his band. It's really cool. So now she's like, I want to try your makeup, and she's in the UK. So I can't wait because that would be awesome. How does it not burn my eye? The cream to powder eyeshadow, this is the eyeshadow. The cream to powder shadow does not burn your eye. You don't even feel it. No, it's on my waterline. It's a beautiful blue. Get up there so y'all can see. Okay, now this is rustic brown. So rustic brown is the dark. I'm going to put it right here on the outside corner of my lid. I'm going to go over in the crease with it. Now, this is kind of a fluffy brush, so this is probably not the exact brush that I should use for this right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it on a paper towel. I always use a paper towel. And what I'm going to do is I'm taking that fluffy brush and I'm blending it back and forth. So I'm doing the terracotta with the rustic brown, and that just kind of blends it there together so you don't have a harsh line. It looks great. Okay, now I'm going to use that Sandstone Pearl Shimmer, that little bit of right there. It's a Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. Oh, absolutely. You can do so much with the shadows. You can use the eyeshadows to contour your face. You can use them for eyebrows. You can use them for highlighters, all kinds of things for the shadows. Okay, so this is Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. So I'm going to put the shimmer just on the inside corner, like this. Very pretty. And then I'm going to use a little bit of it in the corner of the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's really pretty, really pretty look. I used terracotta blush yesterday on my eyes too, and it's great. So if you have the blush, you can use the terracotta, or you can use the toasted rose on your eyes, and it's really good. We also have one called chocolate cherry that looks really good too. Okay, so now that is the eyeshadow look. That was very simple, like so simple. And look, I still have that much left. It takes very little of everything to go a long way. Okay, now on my brow bone, I'm going to show you what I did up here right under my brow. I took our pearlizer. Now, our pearlizer is actually a foundation. It's a waterproof foundation, and I always mix it in with my foundation. I mix it with my dewy, and it gives your face a really pretty dewy glow. Well, the pearlizer itself is a real pearly look. So I took that. I'd already got it over here on this side. Let me show you what I'm doing with it. Now, I'm wiping my brush off. So, yeah, I'm just wiping it. Okay, and then I'm going to tap a little bit of pearlizer. I'm going to put that pearlizer right at the very top of the brow. It's really not a shimmer. It's more of a pearl look. So you can use that right under your brow, and it gives you a really, really pretty just pearl top. You can also take that and put it right above the brow. It even defines your brow a little bit more. Gives that a pearl look. Okay, now I'm going to take what's left over. I'm going to go right here with it on my nose. And a little bit on the edge of my chin. And it kind of gives you like a little sun-kissed look. It's pretty. Okay? All right, now on the eyes, the lashes. So let's do the lashes. The lashes, okay, oh wait, I forgot to do my eyeliner. Here it is. So I'm using the liquid eyeliner. So if you've never tried the liquid, you have to get used to it. But once you do get used to it, you'll love it. I don't have a black pencil here. I forgot to bring one home yesterday. Okay, but the liquid one works really great because it helps you get a really strong line. So I'm going to I'll go on the inside first. I'm going to go all the way. And I normally start on the outside, but I started on the inside. Okay. Let's do the wing. And what you're doing is you're taking this tip of this brush, because that tip is that long. So I'm going to say that's about, oh gosh, can you see that? I don't know how long that little brush is, because I'm not good at guessing. It's about 1/2 inch maybe, the tip. Probably not even that long. Okay, but what I'm doing is I'm dipping it. And then what I do is I lay the tip down like this, and then I lay the whole brush across. So the tip goes first, like this. I dipped it again, the tip first, and then lay the brush down flat. And then you get a great line, just like that. So it's the liquid liner. It's also waterproof. And you might be saying, what do you like better, the pencil or the liquid? I like both. So if you want a really defined line, the liquid one is a great one for that. And I'm going about 3/4 of the way underneath my eye. So I didn't go all the way on the bottom. Okay. Now let's do a review. I'm just doing a review. Okay, the liquid liner, you don't have to be scared of it, Marie. When you first open this, okay, it's got lips. It's same as Lip Sense. I do too, Tammy. It's so pretty. Okay, so the liquid liner, when you first get it and you're scared of it, you can blow it a little bit, and that kind of dissipates the alcohol that's in there, so that when you do this, it's so simple. And then you don't have to be scared, because what you're going to do is you're going to have a couple of Q-tips here. So then if you mess up, lick the Q-tip, and fix it. It's very simple. It works great. You'll love it. Get used to it. I have used to even put this in my eyebrows. That was before we even got the rustic brown. I used to put that in my brows sometimes. Okay, let's do the mascara, the lashes. So here's our review of the new Under Scents by SeneGence right here. It's a great big fat tube, and then I'm going to use the humidity-proof black new lash scents. It's called Volume Intense. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lashes. Look at these. They look good, don't they? Big lips, fat lashes. Hey, girl. Okay, so let's curl them. I like big lips and I like fat lashes. I like big fat lips and long fat lashes. How about that? Okay, so we're curling these and we're going to put the Under Scents on. Are you ready to see this? We are shipping out Under Scents today because it came in stock. I got it yesterday. It finally came in. So, yeah, today it goes out. So, Day, you have one coming to you. Marie, I believe you have one coming to you. I can't remember who else ordered it, but several people have already ordered it because you want to be on the first end of this. I expect this to sell out because it's that good. Wait till y'all try it. I can't wait for y'all to try it. Okay, look. It's the best primer ever. Look at this. Look at this. What? Could that be my real lashes and I'm 53? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you could sleep in it. Like, I'm not because I take my makeup off, but I mean, I like to always clean my eyes at night before I go to bed. I can't go to sleep with mascara on because your eyelashes are all going to clump together when you're asleep no matter what, especially if I lay on my side. I lay on my right side, so then my eyelashes would be clumped up if I slept. Look at that. Can y'all feel a breeze? Like, they're so big and long, you can feel a breeze. Like, let me fan you, okay? Okay, I need a boomerang. Doing it. All right, now, I know, girl, you're getting girlfriend too, right? All right, so here is the waterproof mascara by SeneGence. No, not the waterproof. It's the humidity proof, and it's the black. I haven't had enough coffee. More coffee. Okay. And cold coffee on top of that. All right, now here we go with the mascara. What do y'all think about the lash? You got to give the honest report here. Grrr. When everybody gets theirs, I hope y'all all take a picture of yourself with the lashes, with your lashes, and then post it and tag me because I want to see the pictures of those lashes. When you start using the mascara, it makes your lashes grow. God, look at mine. They're so long. Are you kidding? I'm not. I can't even kid. I just made a big mess. I'm going to fix it. This is when you go, did I just do that on a video? Mm-hmm. You did. There you go. Q-tips. Always have Q-tips. And look at these cute ones. They have these at Walmart. They're leopard Q-tips. Have y'all seen them? So cute. Girl, I know you will. Girl, please, everybody needs to take a picture of their lashes with this on. Because it is the bomb, and everybody you know would buy some. If you tell them about it. They're going to say, what kind of mascara is it? All the time I see girls asking on Facebook, what's the best mascara? What kind of mascara do y'all use? Girl, once you find this, you ain't never looking again. You done found it. You got the it. You got the one that makes your lashes grow. You use the Under Scents, it's making them fat. I mean, you can't even beat it. So if y'all haven't got it yet, you're missing the boat. You want to get the Under Scents, the new one, and you want to get the mascara, the black or the black brown, either one. That's the top lashes. Okay, so let's do the bottom. Hey, Brandy. Brandy girl. Brandy's my girl in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. I see that she's on here. She's an esthetician. She sees lots of women. Shut up. Leopard Q-tips. I already know, right? I bought several boxes. You know, one box can last you forever. They're leopard. They're Walmart brand too, by the way. Don't you love the mascara? I know, right? There is no better. Whew. Man, they're good. Man, it's good. Like, I want to put some more, but I don't really need more. But I really want more. Why not? I don't need any more. Hey, it's just fun just to see how big you can get them. Can y'all feel the breeze? There's a breeze. It's my fans. I have fans on now. My eyelashes look like fans. Thank you, SeneGence. You're the best. I would never quit SeneGence. I would never not use it because we're always coming out with better things that really work. I get to be living proof. That's even better. Okay, so there we go. And that is how you can pull off blue and orange together. Salmon lips, Senna blue, gold earrings, longer hair. It's growing. What do y'all think about the long hair? Ooh, it's getting so long I don't know what to do with it. Like, seriously, it really is. I have a hair appointment Friday. I really think I should get it cut back short because it's just driving me insane. Somebody's going to go, it is short. No, it's not short. Okay, y'all have a fine day today. I am out the door. I got errands to run in the rain. Good thing my makeup is waterproof. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, girls.